Hello, I am me. A lot of you know me as Tamarin from Tamarin's Lair, where this video is being posted. And anyway, I'm here to show off my potato guns, basically. So let me get the firing one first. Something that looks like this. Sorry about the light here. It is air powered. You can see the 1/4-inch air chuck at the end right here. 1-inch ball valve, fires like this. And just like that. Pretty simple concept. This was my first ever potato gun that I built a long time ago. And this is not my only potato gun. Yeah. The next one, the big heavy one, right here. This one is my header. It has a extendable stock just by untightening this screw right here. You can see, need to drill more holes for it, but yes, it is an extendable stock. Slide it in. Now, in here, the stock, you can see it's pretty hollow in there. That does not go straight through my barrel, by the way. That is where my CO2 is going to go. Well, sorry, my nitrogen capsule is going to go. And it's going to be a nitrogen capsule that'll fit in there. And it will, that is going to be my power for the gun. That's 2000 PSI. The other one, let me get this in here really quick. My other potato gun, the one, the other one that I just showed you is actually, is air-powered by the air compressor, which is 120 PSI, and this is 2000 PSI, if I didn't already tell you that. It's pretty simple. You just reach down, fire it. This, pretty darn heavy. It's made out of iron. You can single shot. I am working on a semi-automatic ping pong ball gun, which will be a lot easier to do than potatoes, just so you know. That concludes this video. I will post videos once I get done with this of shooting it, and I will probably post one of that done shooting it. And that's about it, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video.